Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2021 Honda HR-V stock number 6904. This ran from the 12th 2014 to the 10th 2021. Here's an R18 ZF 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic transmission. This is the R18 ZF 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory mega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory mega tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 16-inch factory mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,